everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I need to move the camera up. There we go, that's better. Sorry about that. So, how is everybody? Look what I've got, guys. Look what I've got. It's yarn. Hobium. Hobium. So, I'm just going to see if I can get into it. And I'll come back when I've opened it. Okay then, I've opened the box. And let's see what we've got in it, shall we? It's a well thingy box. I think I will use this myself. Oh. Now you all know I love yarn art. Yarn art's one of my favourites. So I bought another of the yarn art flowers alpaca. It is colour 427. Obviously it's made in Turkey. It's 500 grams and 3.5mm hook and knitting needles. It's a 2-weight, hand wash, dry flat and don't bleach. Now in their right mind would bleach, I have no idea. No, I tell a lie, there's 250 grams in here and that is 940 meters, 1027 yards. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? There's like pink, like a dusky pink, then we've got a cream, then we've got lilac and lavender, and then like a fuchsia, and then we go to the purple. So I got that, guys. That's number one. And I got some cotton soft. Excuse the crinkle. I'll get one out. And this is, oops, there we go. This is colour number 55, 100 grams, 656 yards. It's cotton and, not sure what the other, but it's only 55% cotton and I think it's acrylic. Really nice. It's like a turquoise, isn't it? Like a turquoisey blue colour. And because I didn't have this colour in my cottons, in fact I've not got any blue in cotton, this kind of blue in cottons, and you all know I love this colour. And I got 5 of these. It's a 2.5, it's a 1-weight. 2.5mm knit needle and 2.5 crochet hook, and I'll need 400 grams to make a sweater, but I've got 5. So yep, so that's that. So we've got that, and then oh, I've got a set of knitting needles, guys. Rosewood 3.5, aren't they beautiful? And you all know I love my wooden needles. That's nice. I didn't expect them. And it's natural wood. Lovely. Oh, it's made with Honduran mahogany. They're really, really nice. Oh, I like them. I definitely like them. I've got a Hobie bag. Woo-hoo! I got a Hobium bag. And I got Rapido, yarn art Rapido. This is all yarn art, guys. And this is colour number 682. It's a 1-weight, 2.5mm knit needle, 3mm crochet hook, again 100 yards, and it's microfiber acrylic 100%. And this is the yarn that I used to make my granny square blanket that I did So yeah, so I've got 5 of these, really nice and soft. You hand wash, dry, flatten, do not bleach. Now who in their right mind would bleach yarn? I have no idea. So I've got them. Got to find places for these to go, guys. I'm a bit stuck on I'm going to have to do some jiggery. And then last but not least, I got these. I got this one. It's the same as this, but I got this in purple, and I got 2 of these. And this is colour number 417. It's a 2-weight, 250 grams, 1,027 yards, 940 metres. And I'm not sure if I told you the yardage of the purple yarn. Did I tell you? No, I didn't. 382 yards, which is 350 metres. So yeah, so I've got plenty. Yeah, and yeah, so I've got 2 of these, which is really nice, the teals and the blues. One of these I'm keeping, but one of them's going to a special friend. So yeah, this is a gift for someone. That's why I got 2. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and it's really nice to work with as well. But that'll be all. So that's my small Hobium yarn haul. The first one of 2022, guys. First yarn haul of 2022, and it feels really nice and soft against my skin. And obviously everybody knows that alpaca is hypoallergenic, so I'm pleased to say I can use it and it doesn't affect my hands. So yay! So that's it from me. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.